Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Combine 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1 tablespoon oil in a large bowl. Mix until crumbly. Gradually add 1/4 to 1/2 cup water and knead for 6 to 8 minutes until smooth and soft. Divide into 8 equal balls, roll each briefly, then cover with a damp cloth and let the dough rest 20 to 30 minutes to relax the gluten. Meanwhile, prepare a simple filling by chopping 1 small onion, cilantro, and green chili and set aside for assembly. Take 1 rested ball and dust the surface lightly with flour, then roll into a 6-inch circle using short, firm strokes to maintain thickness. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper until uniformly frothy. Pour a small amount of beaten egg into a preheated nonstick pan and quickly tilt to coat, or brush the raw rolled dough with egg. Add chopped onion and cilantro. Then fold the circle over the egg layer. Heat a cast iron or heavy skillet over medium-high heat until hot but not smoking. Place the folded paratha seam side down and cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown spots appear. While cooking, brush each side with about 1 teaspoon oil or ghee to crisp layers and add flavor. Press gently with a spatula for even contact. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towel, keep warm, then serve hot with plain yogurt, green chutney, or pickles, and cut into wedges for immediate eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.